It's always a rarity for people in their latter years to consider walking down the aisle. But yesterday, the Vanua celebrated the nuptials of their chief, the Tui Vuda, Ratu Eparama Tavaiqia. 82-year-old Ratu Eparama married Adi Lewatuninamoli Nava, who hails from the Vanua of Indilo in Namoli. The family of the Tui Vuda said it was a joyous occasion, especially since Ratu Eparama is their last remaining elder.
Last remaining grandfather to our family, and we all his elder brothers, elder sisters, my Thai, they've all passed on. So we've made sure as a family and as a vanua that we give him a grand wedding to because he's the last remaining our Thai, as we like to say it, or uncle to our uncles and aunts. So today is it's a grand day.
More than 800 people attended the chiefly wedding ceremony. The couple definitely enjoying the moment. Close family members took 2 months to plan the wedding.
We have never witnessed Tui Vuda getting married. We've all witnessed the passing of previous Tui Vudas, but today is special because never in the history of Vuda have we witnessed a Tui Vuda getting married. So that's what makes this occasion more special.